Nate here at Dry Dock Marine Center. Today we're talking about this 2021 Super Air Nautique 210 in reef blue with a black hull bottom. Got a tandem axle boatmate trailer, swivel board racks. This tower does have the prep kit on it, so it's all set for speakers. As we move to the back of the boat here, you'll see the Nautique surf system. This does have the Pro Wake ballast setup in it, along with surf switch. Also has the standard surf pipe. As we move back to the transom of the boat, you'll see we've got a stereo remote here mounted on the back, so easy to change a channel. One of the great features of these Nautiques is this transom walk-through, so easy in, out of the boat. Storage areas here under the rear hatches. As we move up into the boat, you'll notice all the sea deck throughout the boat, no carpet. Got a removable cushion here for stepping in and out of the boat so you're not on the vinyl. We've got a port side lean back here. That's an option upgrade. Over to our Nautique rotary dial here, makes it real easy to control all the features on the Link Pan Array screen. Keyless start. Got a capacity for 12 on this boat. This boat has the optional slide-in air dam. You just walk up to it here, grab it, pop it right out for those cool mornings. Also has the optional heater defrost. See the heater up under there. As we move into the bow, you'll see the M6 speaker system. So nice speakers up here in the bow of the boat. If you have questions on this Nautique or any other boat here at Dry Dock, please give us a call.